I'm gonna hope this shows up pretty well. I'm excited to open this one. I've been waiting for quite a while. It only took a week to ship, but I bought this almost a month ago. Actually, maybe it has been a month now. And typical stuff. Life got in the way before it could get shipped to me. And I didn't know where it was going to be shipped to. I've already been traveling a lot this summer, and I was supposed to be out west for the next 3 or 4 months, and it didn't work out, so I didn't know where I was going to be based for a little while. I gotta figure out how he even box this up to open it here, it looks like. Anyway, it shipped out of Portland about a week ago. And pretty much only my closest friends know about this. Some interesting packing. Piece of a wood floor that clearly he thought would protect this tip right here, and it didn't. It punched right through it. Anyway, kind of funny. All right, give you a glimpse. Yep, that's right. Brand new paramotor. Gotta check it out, make sure it's not damaged, but it looks like the box is the only thing worse for the wear right now. Let's see if I can get it out of here. It's currently, well, here I can show you. Hopefully you can see that. It's currently 94 degrees in the hangar, 111 degree real feel, and that's 2 to 3 degrees cooler than it is outside. So yeah, I'm inside putting it together. I'm not gonna do that outside. I'll get it together in here first, and then I'll take it out and do a hang check on it. Get this thing ready to fly. The way the weather is, there's a pretty good chance I can get it up today. I have no idea how much it's disassembled. Well, the prop bag didn't survive very well. It's a little boogered up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rework the prop a little bit too. It looks like it got gouged out. Just normal UPS handling. Okay, I think so. This is brand new. It had literally one flight on it. It's from HE Paramotors, and it was used as a demo model this spring at a big flying event out in Salton Sea, California. And then he needed to move it, so I picked it up. All right, let's see here. There we go. Good deal. Anyway, there it is. This is partially assembled, I would say. Airbox needs to go back on, clearly the cage. But the harness is up, ready to go. And ironically, I was sitting here watching paragliding videos on YouTube when it showed up, because Well, I already showed you the temperature. That's all you really should need to know. I'm excited to get this out and assemble it, go check it out, make sure everything's okay. Put some fresh gas in it. Maybe I'll be able to fly this evening.